Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a mask at home. So I take the new socks. This is the new socks. You see, I bought a set of socks, new socks. You can buy any socks, but this kind of socks is good too, you know. So I take one. You see, simple and easy, faster. You see how I'm doing? I'm going to cut this side. Make sure you cut it perfectly. Don't need to measure this. Okay, I put side this. So another step, you go, you see them, how you see it. I cut like this. See, open. See, then you make sure you stay like this, folder exactly. So, last step, you see how I did? I make sure easy. It's perfect. So I'm going to cut it. Check how I do. You go to do like this. Don't cut too much, just enough one. You see how I did? You see it. Then you open. You see, this is how it's supposed to be. See? So I'm going to take this. See, you see this side, you can put the side up or you can put down, but this side you put down, and check how I do. This is okay. You can see now. I already wear. You see, this is how it's supposed to be. It's very easy and very comfortable. Oh, so it's very easy and comfortable. You see, and also too, you pull. You see, I pull. You pull down, and also there is air. Air, get it. You pull like this. To wear is so easy. You just put to take off. It's easy too. So I say you have to add this material, the same material you reduce from the socks. See, instead of putting put a tissue or kitchen towel, or you put this. This is perfect. Yep. Very good. Okay, guys. Take care. Be safe. I'll see you next time. Bye.